guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to making a Perler bead dog. This is me trying to pouring Perler beads into a bag look satisfying. It didn't work out as planned. Beads kept falling out. But you know, I tried, so that's all that matters, right? Yeah. Here are all the bags of Perler beads. So now we're going to start off by removing the bags of sorted, sort of, Perler beads off to the side, and then we will choose which character we're going to use. And by the heading, you know it's going to be a dog, but at this point, I didn't know. So right now, I'm just going to choose. So I'm thinking I want the dog, so I might remove that from the pile and say bye to the fish and gill thing. And then I get second thoughts about the cat. So I decide I don't want the fish. So I remove the fish. And then I put the dog and the cat next to each other. And I choose the dog. Because I just thought the ears looked so cute. Then I chose this color of Perler beads because I thought it would look most natural for the dog. So, yeah, let's get started with putting the beads on. The little pin things, whatever you call them. So I'm starting off by putting a little nozzle right there, and I'm doing the outline for the ears. I don't know where I chose that first, but yeah, I did. So I'm just doing the outline of the ears, putting in the eyes and the little nose and mouth, filling in the ears, and yeah, now I'm doing the collar and filling in his face, doing his paws, and filling in the rest of his body. So I did some off camera because it was taking a really long time and I didn't want you guys to sit through this all. Perler beads can take a really long time or they can be super short. This case, it was like, I don't know, an hour for the whole thing. Not too bad. But I just filled in the tail, and I did like a little shine on the side because I thought that looked nice, but I don't know. So now I'm just finishing up filling in brown for the rest of the body. Trying not to mess it up, but you know, it can always happen, so you gotta be careful. Putting in the last bead. There we go, we're done. So this is what it looks like when it's not ironed. So that's what the design looks like. I think it's pretty cute. So yeah, that's what the dog looks like. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to iron it so the pieces stay together and I can take it off the pin board. So right now I'm just ironing the dog, and the set actually came with this little ironing sheet that you put on top so it sticks, all the pieces stick together. It comes in really handy, and I'm super happy that the set came with it. So that's the dog. He's just sitting under the iron and the paper. So sad. So now I'm going to go ahead and do one last thing of ironing down the dog, and then I'm gonna take off the little ironing sheet. By just taking out the little pins. So now I'm going to take it. I'm going to let the dog sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to take him off and show you the end result. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below for more videos like this.